It's a beautiful day in the neighborhood. Happy Monday, everybody. Beautiful Laguna. Can't see Main Beach, it's foggy still.